Alright, it's 3:33 in the afternoon. I'm going to talk now. I'm going to talk. Mama's no Alicia Sherford, I want you to see. Let me see. Because I'm going to end soon, so I'll be showing the display capture. I'm showing the display capture. Yeah. Oh no, it's very big. Okay. I'm gonna show you the display capture. Okay, shout out Mama's no Alicia Shepherd. What has happened? The YouTube has, I've counted, it's already 9 tabs. Rinke, thank you so much for being here. Sige, I'm going here. Teka lang. In new window. Ay, gutom na ako. I need to cook, so I have to end the live stream soon. I'm planning to end 3:30, but I'm going to just show you one thing. But I'll be uploading this. Oops. YouTube Studio. Puntahan ko muna si Rinkay. I'll show you here. Teka. Ayun, Cheese Theme Park. Ay, sorry, video pala to. Sorry. Okay. Diyan na lang muna siya. I'll let it play. But I'm going to look for my channel. Look. Hindi ako nagbabasa. I'm not reading, by the way. Yan. Mamas know the channel is not displayed. I mean the videos that you've uploaded. I can hear it. I can hear it. Alright. So dito muna ako sa new tab. I'll show you. Imsil Cheese Theme Park, South Korea. And samnida. Alright, I'm gonna show you. Yeah. So this is my. Alright. I'll show you my screen. Okay, so what you see here, this is my home. In my home, you can see my ongoing live stream, plus the channel members, plus the selections that I have, PC view, and my shorts, readings, and other playlists. I have 12 playlists here in the home tab. Now next is videos. All the videos that I uploaded videos. Yan, all the videos in the landscape and portrait that are more than 1 minute, and all landscape videos. And another tab, the third tab, is the shorts. Yeah, so you have already my shorts here. The shorts tab. All the shorts are already here. Oh my, kain tayo ng tuyo. So these are the shorts tab. And the next is live tab. So we have the live streams ongoing and the past live streams. And added are the playlists, and then community, playlists, created playlists, community, membership. Those are community, those that I post in the community. Alright, I have posted here for Smokens and for everyone. Yan, mga share. And then membership. For my channel members, only members siguro can read this. And channels, of course, I'm a public subscriber, so you can see all the channels here. Your channels. And about. So 1 home, 2 videos, 3 shorts, 4 live streams, 6 playlist, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pala, sorry. Home, videos, shorts, live, playlist, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 community, 7 membership, 8 channels, and 9 about. This is the change that occurred in YouTube. So if you did not arrange your YouTube home, you will be just seeing the, like Mama Snow. Where is Mama Snow? Mama Snow. I'm going to search Mama Snow. Alicia Shepherd. Mama Snow, Alicia Shepherd. This is her channel. 1.3k subscribers. Ayan. So this is the home tab. And the members there. Home tab. So in the home tab of Mama Snow, videos and shorts only are displayed. And then you have your videos here. All the videos that are uploaded 3 months ago. And the shorts here on the shorts tab, and the live streams. So this is full, of course. Mama Snow has a lot of live streams. Ayan. So this is it. And you have the playlists. Created playlist, saved playlist, community, of course, and membership for the channel members. Yeah. And the channels, of course, Mama Snow is also a public subscriber like me. If you are a public subscriber, you'll be able to see your channels here. If you are not, we cannot see them. And about, of course, Mama Snow's about. Okay, so that's what happened here. That's it.